when we talk about the issue of gender representation within the senior management levels of this industry, it offends on a number of levels, and we'll talk about missing out on talent, we'll talk about perspective of customers a little while, but actually the fundamental one is one of fairness.
Okay. Well, probably, I think, first of all, where all of us are business people here, we should be pragmatic. We need more women because we know, and it's proved by research, that if we have more women, at least 20%, by the way, so one woman cannot help, the dynamic in the team is becoming different, and the quality of decisions is becoming better as well. And for sure, people are different, and it's very difficult really to generalize. But in general, women can bring more features like, or characteristics like team playing, collaboration, by the way. Bring more women, and probably you will have less wars and battles, and you will have more cooperation and collaboration. And women are more sensitive to what is happening around us. So there is a very pragmatic reason to bring more women, but also there is an emotional reason, and again, it's proved by research. Those executives who have daughters, they do much more to promote diversity, because you have a very fair reason in your hands. You want to create better future, and you want to create more opportunities for the one whom you love the most.